news coming in and details really emerging from the administration on the numbers that have thronged the Mahakumbh on day 2 for the Amrit Snan. According to the Yogi government, 1.38 crore devotees have been here to the Triveni Sangam on day 2. Remember, yesterday on first day of Mahakumbh, over 1.5 crore devotees had visited the Mahakumbh, had taken a holy dip in the Triveni Sangam. Today, in less than half a day, 1.38 crore devotees have been here. You know, we on ground have been witness to this. The fact that you've seen this sea of humanity, massive crowds that have gathered here. These are devotees, people from akhadas, all coming together and being here to take a holy dip on the most auspicious day of the Mahakumbh. It's not surprising at all that it's 1.38 crore devotees. By the end of the day, looking at the crowds behind me and seeing that it's only continuing to swell, there's no dip in the enthusiasm, there's no dip in the numbers. You can expect easily that there will be crores of devotees who've gathered here on day 2. So just imagine that. 1.5 crore devotees on one day, and today you're going to see over 2 crore devotees essentially who have gathered here for the Mahakumbh, and this is why it's referred to as the world's largest gathering of humans of any kind, because of the fact that you see people not just from across the country but across the world united by their faith in Hinduism coming together.